Benefits of drinking beetroot juice daily. Have you ever thought of adding some natural colored food into your diet to make it yummier, tastier, and of course healthy? Reason to consume beetroot. If you are health conscious, you must not like to make any compromise with your health. And this is the main cause to include beetroot in your diet, as it is a superfood and helps to upgrade your health. Therefore, going natural is the final way to maintain a healthy routine, as there is no shortcut to achieving your health goal. Benefits of drinking beetroot juice daily. 1. Helps to lower blood pressure. Is beetroot good for high blood pressure? Above all, we have to keep our hearts in a good form, and in order to do that, blood pressure is the first thing we have to look after. Many types of research and studies have shown that beetroot is capable of controlling blood pressure in a short time because of the presence of active nitrate. Our body converts it into nitric acid, which helps to expand the bloodstream. 2. Improve liver health. Do beets cleanse your liver? Beetroot is liver friendly. It is enriched with calcium. Betaine, vitamin B, iron, and antioxidants enable the liver to work properly. It also works to thin the bile to flow smoothly through the small intestine and liver. Beetroot has betaine, which combines with fiber and both works to remove the toxin from the liver. 3. Skin health. Do beets help your skin? The humble-looking beetroot has extraordinary effects on the skin. It holds various beauty and health benefits within it. Therefore, consuming it daily may be helpful to prevent different skin problems, including acne and pimple. The antioxidants in beetroot help to remove toxins from our bodies. And so if you want to replace your dull-looking skin with glowing skin, a glass of beetroot extract or raw beetroot in a salad is the best way to reach your goal. Besides this, beet green, a different variety of beetroot, has vitamin A, carotenoid, and lutein, which fight free radicals and prevent your skin from premature aging and wrinkles. 4. Inflammation. Is beetroot good for inflammation? The constituent in beetroot is considered to treat therapeutic treatment associated with oxidative stress and inflammation. The betalain pigment acts as a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. As we are aware that inflammation is the root of many chronic diseases like cancer, obesity, heart and liver diseases, and liver dysfunction. 5. Digestion. Is beetroot good for digestion? A good digestive system is key to healthy living. If you are thinking of including beetroot daily, do it immediately, as the consumption of beetroot with your daily food may improve your poor digestion capacity. Beetroot is full of soluble fiber that induces the irregular digestive system to function in a proper way. Moreover, beetroot juice can remove obstructions of the liver and spleen. Red beetroot also takes a prominent role to maintain abdominal health. 6. Heart. Are beets good for the heart? A healthy heart is the sign of a healthy lifestyle, and we are ready to turn every stone to keep our hearts healthy and stress-free. Beetroot is such a blessed vegetable that it can solve many health problems, including keeping the heart in a good condition, as it is enriched with inorganic nitrate compounds. The inorganic nitrate compounds include nitrates, nitrites, and nitric oxide. As per research, consuming beetroot in any form like juice or raw can lower the blood pressure level and thus indirectly reduce the risk of cardiac arrest. Facts are quite reasonable to make you understand the benefits of drinking beetroot juice daily so that you can get all the health benefits.